Let's turn our attention to the tools we use every day: keyboards, mouse, and monitors. These seemingly common devices can have a significant impact on our comfort, health, and productivity. Think about it. How many hours a day do you spend typing, clicking, and staring at a screen? If your tools aren't designed with ergonomics in mind, those hours can add up to a whole lot of strain and discomfort. But don't worry, we're here to help you make informed choices that will support your well-being. Ergonomic keyboards. Let's start with the keyboard, the gateway to our digital world. Traditional keyboards are notorious for contributing to wrist pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and other repetitive strain injuries. So what should you look for in an ergonomic keyboard? Split design. A split design is divided into two halves, allowing your hands and wrists to rest in a more natural, neutral position. This can reduce your strain on your wrists and forearms. Contoured keys. Contoured keys are shaped to fit the natural curve of your fingers, reducing the need to stretch or bend your fingers awkwardly. Wrist rest. A built-in wrist rest can provide support and help you keep your wrist in a natural position. Adjustable tilt. Some ergonomic keyboards allows you to adjust the tilt angle so you can find the most comfortable position for your wrists and forearms. Mechanical versus membrane. Mechanical keyboards offer tactile feedback and require less force to press the keys, which can reduce finger fatigue. Membrane keyboards are generally quieter and less expensive. Ergonomic mouse. Next, let's talk about the ergonomic mouse, the trusty companion to our keyboards. Traditional mice can also contribute to wrist pain and repetitive strain injuries, especially if used for long periods. Here is what to look for in an ergonomic mouse. Vertical design. A vertical mouse positions your hand in a more upright, handshake-like position. This can reduce twisting and strain on your wrist and forearm. Trackball mice. Trackball mice allows you to move the cursor by rolling a ball with your fingers or thumb rather than moving the entire mouse. This can reduce arm and wrist movement, potentially reducing strain. Size and shape. Choose a mouse that fits comfortably in your hand. The size and shape should allow you to grip it comfortably without having to squeeze or strain your fingers. Wireless versus wired. Wireless mice offer great freedom of movement and can reduce cable clutter, but they require batteries or charging. Ergonomic monitors. Finally, let's turn our attention to the monitor, the window to our digital world. Staring at a screen for hours on end can lead to eye strain, headaches, and neck pain. Here is what to consider when choosing an ergonomic monitor. Its size. Choose a monitor that's large enough for you to comfortably view your work without having to squint or lean forward. Resolution. Higher resolution monitors offer sharper images and text, which can reduce your eye strain. Adjustability. The monitor should be adjustable for height, tilt, and swivel so you can position it at the optimal viewing angle for your neck and your eyes. Anti-glare. Look for monitors with anti-glare coatings to reduce reflections and glare, which can cause eye fatigue. Blue light filters. Some monitors offer blue light filters, which can reduce the amount of blue light emitted from the screen. Blue light has been linked to eye strain and sleep disruption. Personalizing your setup. Ergonomics is personal. The best keyboard, mouse, and monitor for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Take the time to experiment with different options and find what works best for you.